So this seems to be kind of rolling up into an erosion of trust. So decades of exaggerated claims, failed forecasts, and reliance on financial contributions have led to skepticism about Gartner and other analyst firms' credibility and relevance in the tech industry. And I think when you look at how the whole business has been perceived, over the last 20, 30 years, certainly since, during my career, probably had more of a positive perception and what they're capable of doing than they do now. Now there's a whole bunch of skepticism out there, and not just, people like myself that are, independent influencers and commenters on the industry, things like that. But the enterprises out there that employ these folks. And so if you look at the, thumbnail I have here, that's something I see. I'm witnessing that, where they're telling people to get out. Obviously not all at once, but in many cases, the organizations that I'm talking to have kind of had it with paying the large subscription fees and going to the very high-priced conferences, things like that, and not necessarily getting the correct analysis and getting the information out of there and getting the unbiased information and advisory that they like to get. And I think they've had it. And obviously there's other alternatives out there, and we'll talk about them in a minute. But at the end of the day, I just see the market changing. And the big thing also too would be the arrival of AI and my ability to, and all the enterprises out there, ability to use AI as a force multiplier to create their own strategic assets, that they're able to make their own decisions without having to employ the human beings to make it happen.